Hey peeps. Hey guys, Hey my friends. Hey friends. No, that just sounds crazy. Hey guys, Middle High Fish on here. First, I just want to start off by saying happy Thanksgiving. Hope everyone has a pretty good day. So, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Well, Real Synergy, they sent me another reel to try. It's one step up from the last one, which I still have a review coming on that one. But we're going to take a peek at this one. If I can get it out of the box here. Got a reel. Just from the get-go, the box is better than the other one, so. Already looks like a better reel. So, that's what it looks like. Oh. Right out of the box, guys. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'm going to further inspect this and see what's going on. I'll check back in here shortly. Alrighty guys, this little bolt here, nut, I found the issue. This nut here was actually stripped. Thankfully I had some other parts and got the nut on there and tightened it up, and now it's a lot better, guys. This actually feels like a lot better compared to that last reel. So it's pretty cool. It's a 6:3 1 gear ratio, which has a 12+1 ball bearing. It's definitely a better reel than the last one. But yeah, it's definitely gonna have to give us a try. A little more confident in this one, but it's 8,000 max drag. So who knows? Feels it's like a lot tougher reel than that last one. I do believe this one will last a little bit longer. But yeah, guys, this one's from Real Synergy, but I will definitely give you guys a review on this pretty soon, and I'll get the other one review out on the other reel. But I will say, since that was right out of the box, that bolt nut. But hey, alrighty guys, this is it. Peace out. Yeah, got this reel fixed here, so we're gonna give it a whirl, and I'll give you a pretty good update on this reel, what I think of it. Alright guys, happy Thanksgiving. Fish on.